Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing fine. Today, I would like to share with you another project that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make a Christmas wreath. Now, I've been making Christmas wreath from the past with a different kind of wreath form. It's not the wreath form that I used in the Dollar Tree, but this is the wreath that I use from scrap materials that I got from work. So to show you what I meant is this. This is a circle wreath that I use from work. I can't show you that well, but these are scrap materials, and from this material, it's a perfect circle. I make it into this one. There. And these are all scrap materials that I got from work, and I just build it on this circle, and this is what I'm going to use as my wreath form. Okay, and the materials that I'm going to use for this Christmas wreath, I'm going to show you the materials. This is a green garland wires, and I'm gonna use some of this one, a reindeer seed sack. I got 2 of those, and I could possibly also use this one for the Christmas wreath I'm gonna make, and some of this too, the light up icicles. And I'm gonna use also this one, a camper. I have shown this in the past, the ones that I haul, and also this garland, and also this truck. Okay, so these are the materials I'm gonna use, and also some materials that I've already shown you when I made the Christmas hat. So I'll go from there, and I'll show you in a little while what the outcome will be. So what I'm doing here is this garland, I'm just wrapping around the circle, wrapping it around this wreath circle. Okay, and when I'm finished, I'll show you. Hi everyone, here is the finished and completed Christmas wreath that I made, and this is how it turned out. So let me just give you a closer look so that you could visualize the details. There's the reindeer, and I put some Santa hat on them, and there's my Christmas feed, and the branches of red and silver, and I also placed a cardinal there. Those are just stick-ons, and the red truck, and I put a Santa hat also on the red truck, and there's my camper with some cardinals too, and a banner that says ho ho ho, and I also placed some acorns as part of the decoration, and I spray painted it with snow. And there are also some cardinals on the, I placed a cardinal on the camper, as well as that one branch over there, and my ribbon. So this is how my Christmas wreath turned out. So I hope you like what I made, and until my next project, I'll surely be sharing it again. So have a good day. Thanks for watching, and have a safe day. Bye.